Alright, here we are in SolidWorks and we want to start making something. So you'll notice that there's no sketch button here like other programs have. There is a sketch tab, but that's on purpose because when you create and start a feature that needs a sketch, it's going to start to sketch automatically for you. So you don't have to worry about doing that manually every time, with the exception of things like sweeps or lofts where you need to have more than one sketch. In that case, you do need to go to sketch and manually create your own sketch. But if we're going to use an Extrude Boss or an Extrude Base or Revolve, those are going to be right here and they're going to let you create a sketch right there. You'll also notice that there's commands over here to create features that add material. There's a section here that allows you to create features that remove material, which are the same ones at Boss. So Extrude Boss, Extrude Cut. Revolve Boss, Revolve Cut. Sweep Boss, Sweep Cut. Same thing. The only thing is this one also has the hole wizard in it. Because that's cutting a hole, so that's in here. And then we have our area here with kind of the other things. So fillets, chamfers, patterns, ribs. And then here we have the intersect option, which is where you do the intersection of two different shapes, kind of like in Fusion or Inventor. They have within Extrude, they have Extrude Boss, Cut, or they have the interference, or intersection. So that's over here. That's a separate thing. So let's go and get started. So I'm going to go to Extrude Boss, and now it asks me for which plane do I want to work on, and you can see front, top. Again, just pick the plane that you want to work on there. And that's it.